Good morning, big time anglers. Justin hasn't got out of bed. And John's taking a mean
excuse me. Morning, it's your big time hikers here in Colorado Springs. You gotta limber up, you know, so you don't die. Be careful. Anthony, don't die, don't die. Oh my god. Yeah, that was crazy. Check out the view. Sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry. Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, no, just Maddie answers with a thumbs up.
Cheese. Cheese. Jon, are you taking a video?
Hell no, to the no.
Thank you.
So we found this dude on the mountain. I don't really know who he is. Oh, he's gone.
big time hikers here. We're going all the way up there.
Mount Rushmore.
Oh, nothing.
There's no faces. Shoot! That was Mount Rushmore. See, we have Donald Trump, Barack Obama, Hillary Clinton. Big time hikers. John, turn around when you go to the bathroom.
I want to see that, boy.
Oh gosh.
Howdy. He's nasty.
Oh jeez. Hey guys,
Okay.
big time anglers.
Hi.
No, this is the same camera.
Abby,
Oh,
pick up the pace.
Abby's coming. Okay. Big time hikers.
Now big time hikers.
Big time hikers.
Here. We're in the Rocky Mountains.
The Rocky for sure.
Definitely rocky. And it is hot. I don't know how much longer we're gonna last out here. And we're just gonna take some more shortcuts. Is this a shortcut?
Yeah.
Do you see the path on the other? Okay.
We're gonna fall.
Yeah. Well,
Oh, we are skipping. This is a big shortcut.
what if it's just a totally different path? If only I had like a head mount. Oh. Oh, don't let her, guys. Oh, you really set a log down here. Check out the scenery up here.
Oh, you have biking.
And look what we're wearing for our hiking.
You can
Hiking gear.
slide real fast.
Hiking gear. Hiking gear. We're
I got the polos.
you got the thick polo. I don't even know why, but yeah.
Got a hiking style.
All right, guys. Welcome to the quality footage. John's over here. Take some pictures. Justin's right here. We're cruising. Oh.
112.
Oh.
1.28%.
Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm going down. I'm coming home, dogs. We didn't go home. We're still going. Taking another shortcut. I bet it's a house because that's that road that we see zigzag down. I bet it's someone's house.
We're doing the incline. Yeah. It f***ing sucks. How's it going? Anthony?
Old woman right here, I tell you what.
Justin, how's your incline?
It's fun.
We're gonna resting every metal grate we come across. 30 steps. Oh, this is gonna suck, y'all. Oh, are they smaller?
Oh, freak.
Are they normal
Bro,
steps?
just switch.
How's it going?
I'm about to retire.
Yeah, I think this is probably more of a challenge than taking on any fish big time anglers have ever tried to go for, but
Yeah.
so big time hikers. This was actually Abram Tweed's 2019 Eagle Scout project. So I guess we're Eagle Scouts now, right?
I guess so.
Is that how it works?
That was harder than I thought.
Yep.
It would be.
There's a chipmunk.
Oh, chipmunk. Nice.
Bye, bud. Okay, well, good job, big time hikers.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
You gotta punch the camera.
Hi, Dad.
Punch the camera.
Big time anglers on the quality.
Yeah, we're taking the trail back down.
Justin,
Yeah.
big time hiker. What was your experience?
Well, there's no fish.
Okay.
Fucking sucks. Don't do this. I'm just kidding. It's pretty cool.
They said there'd be fish here.
But there wasn't?
I didn't see no fish.
Oh, sorry. All right, well, we're headed down. Big time down. Lick. I want to eat a popsicle so bad. I'm so thirsty.
You wanna see who can run down the mountain the fastest? Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.
It gets copyrighted because
My legs, I think I'm Parkinson's, but in the legs right now, so they're a little tired. I think I'm gonna just keep on walking so I don't die. Can you hand feed him?
Wait, let me get a picture, please.
Hurry.
I have one.
Oh, he ran off with the whole orange. Come here. See you later, bud. You go. Big time hikers just started the next tour with chipmunks, so that's not good.
See you next time.
See you next time.
See you next time.